to finalize this is you'll be printing a delivery manifest. To do that, you click on delivery menu, which drops down. You go to delivery manifest. Delivery manifest will give you this screen over here. Okay, now before you do anything, you first need to understand the difference between the buttons here. We do not work with the reset, we only work with search and add. I'll explain what search is a bit later, but now we're creating a delivery manifest. So you click add. When you get to the screen, manifest number is blank. Do not do anything there. The only three places you will be doing anything in this screen is driver, route, and vehicle. So under driver, you'll see a drop down. You'll type in a driver. So the driver, route, and vehicle will be allocated to you. Okay. So for driver, you will all be allocated a driver. So for mine, I'm using a test. For route, it's the code of the dealership. So okay, so the route, I'm going to be using that route. Okay, and then the vehicle, I'm going to be using test again. Okay, and then I do not touch anything else at that point. I've just put the driver, the route, and the vehicle. I click save. Now once you click save, you get to this screen. Okay, now when you get to the screen, again, you don't do anything. You click scan. When you get to scan, the only thing you need to make sure is scan type is set to parcel. Please make sure it's set to parcel. And under here, label or parcel number, what we are doing, guys, is we'll be putting the label number. So in this case, we're putting test dealer 2, and you put this and you click enter. Oops. Okay. And we're putting the parcel number in. Again, putting the parcel, we're putting the label number. Don't worry about the invalid parcel number because we are putting the label in at this point. I'll be showing you what to do with the parcel number. Okay. I'm showing you different scenarios. So you'll click done. Okay. So now if you click close, you're basically ending this entire manifest. So a delivery manifest, what you have to understand, a delivery manifest is basically, it's almost like a delivery number. Okay, so once you close this delivery number, manifest number, is allocated to whatever you've entered, or whatever label or parcel numbers you've allocated to it. If you've only allocated 3 out of the actual 5, then you will need to create another manifest number, but it will cause problems later on in terms of tracking and recording, because those 5s are supposed to be part of one delivery, not 2. Okay, so don't click close until you're certain you've put in whatever you need to do. So in this scenario, what we can do is we can click list, scan, and we can come back to this screen. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do it for the parcel level. So instead of putting the label numbers, we're going to put the parcel numbers. Okay, just to show you a proper demo, I don't have the boxes in front of me, but if the boxes were in front of you, you would have these labels in front of you, which basically tell you what each parcel number would be. Okay, so if you look closely, I'm just going to zoom in a bit. If you look under the barcode, it will say test dealer 2 P001. This is your parcel number. That number is your parcel number, and you can see each one is different by a single digit. So don't go 1, 2, and then 3 for this specific label number. So what will we do? We'll go here. We'll say we'll put test dealer 2, and it's test dealer 2 P 3 zeros and a 1. So you go P 3 zeros and a 1, and you click enter. Okay, don't worry about the branch. Okay, then you do the same thing going for the next one. Okay, and we'll go all the way to the end. Okay, everything has been entered in, and I'll just click done. Okay, okay, so we've put in all these. So I'm just trying to show you now if we're making a mistake. Okay, if we're making a mistake, let's say you put the numbers wrong, don't click done. Don't click it. Don't worry about it. Just click done and click scan again. It'll allow you to do everything. All right. And once you're done with everything, you can click close, like I said. Now, the only reason you would not click close and you click scan again is if you had, in the scenario I said when we had test dealer 2 and test dealer 3, we can reuse, we can just continue scanning. So you just can scan all the parts, and then you click done, then you click close. Once you click close, you can then print the manifest from this side here. On the top, it'll give you print manifest. And when you print the manifest, again, guys, you will need to print 2 copies of it, one for the driver and one for recording purposes. Okay, guys, so basically this is what your delivery manifest will look like on the screen using all 2 delivery notes, variable numbers, with the first 3 being for test dealer 2 and 2 for test dealer 3. Click done and we'll click close. Manifest is closed. Now we can print this manifest. Okay, I'm just going to cancel this, but this is your manifest now. And like I said, if you click the top right here, you'll be able to print by selecting here 2 copies. Okay, and this is basically it. 1 copy goes to driver, 1 is for yourself. And guys, it's as simple as that. That is the distribution side of using the TMS system.